Students' journey is different, and today we celebrate the unique strengths and contributions of each of our tamaiti. Some may shine on the sports field, some others in the classroom, or through simple acts of kindness. All are equally valued. Up on our big screen, at the end of last year, I collected voice from some of our 2025 Black Caps. And I'd like to read them out because it's pretty powerful to read what our former pupils have said about being in the role of a Black Cap. Being a Black Cap means leading by example and doing the right thing even when no one is watching. That's integrity. A Black Cap shows manaakitanga by helping others and making everyone feel included. It means working hard and learning and always trying your best. A Black Cap supports their classmates and lifts others up when they need help. It means representing our kura with pride and showing respect at all times. A Black Cap understands that leadership is about teamwork, kotahitanga, and helping everyone succeed. So powerful words from our former leaders from last year, and words to live by as we begin to start capping our first tamariki for 2026. So today we celebrate not just our achievements, but our potential to lead, support and make a difference. We're excited to see all of our Year 6s grow, whether that's today or in the future, so they can contribute to our kura, our hapuri, and grow themselves as leaders at Mahora School. So without further ado, I'm going to pass on to Mr. English now, who's going to have a kōrero, and then we'll start our proceedings.
Kia ora koutou katoa, ko Greg English toka ingoa, ko au te tumuaki o te kura o Mahora. Very good morning to everyone. Thank you for all being here on this very important occasion. And special welcome as well to our ex-students who have come along to tautoko today. And of course to our Year 6 tamariki who will be receiving their caps today. A very special welcome to you too. Today, as you know, is a very special moment in our kura. Not just because you will be receiving your Black Caps, but today marks a shift into leadership for our Black Caps in Mahora School. We talk a lot at Mahora, what you do in the hat that counts. It's about noticing when someone's on their own, noticing when someone needs a bit of help, noticing when something's not quite right, but choosing to step in and do something about it. Because others are watching, our younger tamariki here are watching as well. Not just what you say, but watching what you do. That's what leadership is. There will be moments this year when you've got a choice, see someone on their own, or go and sit by them, notice somebody stuck, or step in, have their back and give them a hand, or do the easy thing, or the right thing. Those are the small moments that matter. Most of the time, leadership isn't big and obvious. It's small and often quiet, and you won't always be recognised for everything that you do. But these are the little actions that build trust in others and matter the most. Those little actions are always something to be proud of. Now there's something else to remember. Nobody climbs alone. Every one of you here has had people that have had your back. Your whānau here supporting you today, kaiko in this room, your friends sitting near you, coaches. There have been so many people that have supported you to get to the point where you are today. And it is always so important that we show our gratitude for that. So I want you to take a little moment now to think, who are those people that have tautoko you, who have supported you to be the person that you are today? Now the amazing thing about leadership is you have that opportunity now to be that person for someone else. Yesterday, the last sheet photo. Yesterday, a very special book arrived in my office, and it's called People Helping People. Now, this shares stories from Cyclone Gabriel, and I have to admit, flicking through it gave me goosebumps a little bit, because it's an incredible reminder of the way that people in our Hawke's Bay community stepped up and supported others in a massive time of need. That's what a strong community is all about, and it's the kind of community we want to build here at Mahora School with your help. Helping others, backing others, encouraging others. That's how we live Piki Haere every day. Today, some of our Year 6 tamariki will receive your black cap, and that's something to be incredibly proud of. But the cap itself isn't leadership. Leadership isn't what you wear, it's what you do every day. To our whānau, kaiko, kaimahi, our friends and family, ex-tamariki who have come along today, thank you so much for all of the support you have given our young leaders here. We really appreciate all of the support you give them and also our kura. To our black caps who are receiving their cap today, we are so proud of you and we're really excited to see you lead in our school. Be the ones that notice, be the ones that step up, be the ones that encourage others, and those amazing role models for our younger tamariki that they aspire to be like you one day, wearing that cap. Just remember that the hat is the reminder. Putting it on matters, but it's the actions that you do every day while wearing it that really matter. Kia mai, kia kaha, kia manawa nui, ki te piki haere. Kia ora.
Thank you, Mr. English. We're about to begin our capping process now. And I just want to give you a few insights to how this is done over 2 months and over the whole year too. So obviously our tamariki are following our criteria. They're putting in the maki in school, out of school, in the classroom. That's what we're looking for. Today we have 35 being capped, which leaves us with 18 not receiving their caps. So my wheel to everyone here who is a Year 6 who may not receive their cap today is to put your first strong step forward at this moment, because it's going to be one of your more challenging days. And for our new black caps, be strong, total for each other, and we'll work this together as a team. So can I please have Whai Whitney and Mr. English come forward? I'm going to be reading out in groups of 7, and we will begin now. Our first black caps of 2026, Sophie Sharplin, Felix Carroll, Casey Wire, Rain Welsh, Weston Primer, Kaylise West, Avery Rain, Nele Malakona. Brightwell, Bella Rose Healy, Hazel Whitcomb Healy, Megan Moore, Arabella Whitten, Tom Tuyala.
Go Tommy!
Sorry. 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 Here, turn around. Look who's here. Well done, Tom. Love you. Look.
Now on to our food group. Can we please have Alia Tekudu, Regan Jeanette, Larissa Edwards, Hezekiah Lele Malipanga, Sophie Kickle, Crimson Glory Watson, and Casey Wilson. In our final group of camping for today, Michaela Streeton, Alice Stewart, Edward Court, Claire Ratcliffe, William Hoffer, Steve Scott, and many Bartholomew. now I'd like to ask our whānau who are here today to come walk through our runway there and come join your tamaiti up here on stage, and we're going to spread ourselves across black caps. And Tiki Mai, you can just say one for everyone here.
Jay. There he is. Hi, Mom.
What?
Look who's up there.
Sorry, my call on my eyes finished.
Look who's up there.
Oh,
Your siblings came.
my siblings.
If you leave all your fields out by our upper level, this is piece is going to go outside and take some special, beautiful family photos. So make way, please, guys, just in the middle there, come to the sides. Okay, keep somebody to mark.
Your mum come find me first.
Tom. So, what it feels like to be a black cap, hey Tom? What does it feel like?
Let's go.
Did you know we were coming?
Huh?
Did you know we were coming?
No, for these were for Jeff.
Yeah.
For Jeff.
Where are your
I'm gonna
siblings?
rub his favorite candy in his face.
Cheeky. Kids are so happy. They're coming.
I don't see them. Oh, now I can see them.
I'm taking this one, and the Oreo one.
Look who else came. Look who else came. Go over. Hi, baby. Hello. How are you, baby? Thanks for coming. No, it's not alive. Hey.
Who's Ava? She had to go back to her class too.
She didn't earn one. Nah, it's not her turn yet.
Oh, look. When can you open it?
Oh, no.
Can you? No, look, no one's open. Do you want to open?
No, she can. He can.
He's just going to take a photo. What do you guys? Yeah, just hold it like that.
All right, let's start. Let's take some photos now.
I want to see how great I am.
I'll show you how good I am.
How great I am. Oh, can I have a look, son? Yeah. Oh, wow. Ava, move your hand.
Did we even get to put one of those on our shirts?
That's so cool.
Oh, see, if Cavalier was doing awards like this.
Just took my M&M.
Bo. Tom, that cap's going to make your ears bigger. Oh.
Tom, is this your friend?
Yeah.
What's your name? Huh? Quinton. Are you Simon? Molden.
And Kingston and...
You want to be Simon?
Oh.
It says Tom Toyota, not Ava Toyota.
Yeah, give me that. It's mine.
Yeah, let me do the honors by putting the bag.
Oh.
Hey, hi. Echo TC now. Come here.
You have to hold those values, Tom. Oh, this is a special moment.
Stand here. Look at me.
What's it doing?
Yeah, hurry up.
Oh, I can't see it.
I was like, came first across country. Professional rugby. Came first.
But is,
You guys came to my...
but is it about you today?
Huh?
Is it about you today? Oh, thank you, son. Yes, we can. Of course we can.
No, not with my sister.
Hey, what not? Your sister's gonna have your family at school when you leave.
I reckon.
Yeah, you gotta share with your siblings and then me. Make sure you got a protein one. Congrats, fans.
You're going to share your lollies, Tom, with people. Your friends and everyone.
One of our famous boy, eh?
Not famous.
Is that for rugby or? Sure. Sure.
Oh, what's everyone doing, Tom?
DJ!
What's everyone doing, Tom?
Hello, y'all are two PGs.
Where?
He's just cruising. I saw him already.
I don't think he's allowed to come. He's meant to be running.
We'll meet him over here in like 30 minutes.
That's AJ.
Was it AJ?
Yeah.
Oh, now he's running. We're recording it.
Go, Jay! Take your time. He is. Oh.
Really? Is that where they all come to the school? Did you see Mata as well?
Did you see her?
Yeah, she was in the hall yelling at this one, but he didn't.
Oh, he's here. Baby, do you want your Ula? One of them? You take one. And then listen to the teacher if they say, oh. Which one? Pick one. Hurry, your school's going.
Take the orange.
Your class is going. No. Oh, they probably have to take a photo outside, eh?
What's he gonna come back home to? He's gonna be like, where's my luggage?
Okay, love you. Thanks for coming. Love you, baby. Yeah.
See you Sunday.
See you. Bye, Tommy. Mama. Mwah. Love you. Well done. Congratulations. Bye. Huh?
I'm proud of you.
Oh, very proud. Nice to have you.
No, it's great for things like this.
Yes. So Tom's old principal had to come for the service. He's now at Friendly School, I think. So yeah, how cool it is to have him here today. All right, that's it from me and us. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye, baby. And God bless everyone. Bye.